Hi, in this assignment, I will try to analyze an office tower plan building and optimize it so it can be more energy efficient. The main softwares I will use will be SketchUp and the Sapphira software included in the SketchUp. I will use 4 strategies that can decrease the EUI from 151 to a lower value. So the first strategy is the override glazing ratio, and after uploading the building to Sapphira, I just got the results of the window to wall ratio. So the initial value is 0.2, and when analyzing the chart and the response curve, I tried to limit the values from 0.2 to 0.8, and the results obtained were that I can increase the window to wall ratio to 0.77. After this improvement, as you can see in the chart below, the energy decreased from 151 to 129. The second strategy was facade glazing. The first value that shows is a U value, and the initial one is 3.3, and the solar heat gain coefficient is 0.8. Then I looked up at the charts and the response curve and tried to limit the values from 0.25 to 0.4. And the chart results showed that I can keep the U value from 3.3, exactly the same, and I can decrease the solar heat gain coefficient to 0.4. After these results, the chart showed that the energy usage decreased from 151 to 124. The third value was the walls. The first value, the initial value, is 0.7. And then I looked up at the charts and the response curve and tried to limit the values from 0.4 to 1.6. And the chart showed that I can decrease the U value from 0.7 to 0.5. This strategy, as you can see in the chart below, made the energy decrease from 151 to 124. And the fourth strategy was the 3D model shading, how we can shade the windows of our building. And in the preview, the first value shows that the building has no shading. Then, when looking up at the chart and the response curve, I limit the values from 0 to 1. And the chart showed that the best option was to have 0.5 meters horizontal shading above the glass. This strategy decreased the value of EUI from 151 to 116. So basically, all the 4 strategies decrease the EUI value, so they are correct. Thank you.